Hello, this is Slow Mo Rewind. Today I'm going to be reviewing this credit card lockpick set from Banggood. And here's what the front of it looks like. It says James Bond on it, Visa. It's same dimension as your normal credit card, but a little bit thicker. I got this on Banggood for $3.88 and $1 shipping. Pretty good deal. This is what's got inside. You got your double-sided tension rod, tiny side, and then a thicker side. You got your 6-pin rake, single pick, snake rake, and half diamond. I'm going to be demonstrating it by using this lock, which I'm making a video on soon. It's a trailer wafer lock. I don't know what brand it is, but I'm going to be trying to pick it today, and I'm going to use the 6-pin rake to do it. Here we go. There you go. That's how easy it is. That was like 2 seconds maybe. Well, if you want this, I'll leave a link in the description, and have a nice day.